G'day and welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Morisset Boat Ramp, Morisset Park Boat Ramp. We're planning on kayaking around the edges of this bay and find a nice place to pull up, camp, fish, hang out, maybe cook some sausages and carry on, and might go exploring up a couple of creeks and things as well. So that's what we're up to today. If you like, hit subscribe and bloody like, and yeah, we'll see you on the water. Trinity Bay Marina. Just stopping to check the map and have a bit of a look around. So we found a pretty nice spot here to hang out. It's a bit shady. We brought our tarp if we need more shade. We're just going to walk down here a bit further and see if there's a nicer spot that we can park up and camp for the day. Alright, well, we found a nicer spot just here, plenty of shade. There's a nice paperbark forest behind us that we'll explore later on. It's nice and cool in here too if it gets too hot. Beautiful. So we'll go back and get the kayaks and paddle down to here and set up our day camp here. Alright, well, while Jan's fishing, I'm gonna cook up some sausage sangers. I've just come up into the bush here, a little bit more room up here, and yeah, I'm set up here with the stove, the gas thing. I'll get the sausages and the other stuff and we'll be into it. Well, if it's snag o'clock, it's got to be beer o'clock. Cheers. Sausage sanger. That's good. Right, well that was bloody good, Tucker. Let's go and have a look at this bush. Jane's trying to attract some birds. A little bit of bird watching. Melaleuca paperbark tree. Beautiful. A young cabbage tree palm. Oh, look at the sparkies on that. Wacky. Coachwood, I think. No, sassafras? Not sure. Oh, we're getting into some rainforesty looking stuff here. Well, I'm going to go for a bit of a paddle. Okay. Take that in case I get bloody in trouble.
Alright.
Alright, okay, so I'm going for a paddle. Just have a bit of a look around. Might go around that point there. See what's around there. Oh, so that's that point. I'll put the name up of what that point is, but it looks like a great spot to hang out. Jen and I should be there. Oh, a bit shallow. Oh yeah, so we made a plan for this afternoon. It's a little bit windy out there, it's a little bit choppy, but we plan to just hang out until the wind dies down and paddle back with a sunset paddle. Would be ideal, and hopefully the wind has died down by then. It should be sweet. In this bay we're in, it's pretty nice here, very calm. That boat knows about it. Oh, she's getting hot. This bay without any wind. Hard to keep us humans happy, isn't it? Oh yeah, oh that's so good. I'm going to do it again. Oh yeah. Paddle over to this creek. There's a creek over here. Yeah, so that's Long Creek or something like that. Up there. We might try and go bush kayaking up there later on our holidays. Check it out. This is a little island here. Oh, that looks really nice. Let's go and have a look on this island. Check out the bush, see what it's like. It's everywhere, doesn't it? Yeah, it's alright. It's a little bit swampy. Oh, mosquito infestation in here. Bring the air a guard. or whatever your preferred method of getting rid of those bastards is. She oaks, casuarina. They must be able to handle the salt and the fresh water. Always along these places. I saw quite a few fish, so it should be pretty good fishing here. Better start heading back soon, see what Jan's up to. Maybe she caught a dolphin. But first, we'll paddle around this island. Oh, one of my favourite birds, water birds, the spoonbill. What a beauty. I love those things. They are so cool. And up in the tree here, we have an egret. Oh, and black swans over there. 4 of them. If you want to come and see some water birds, this is a good spot. Ah, hang on, let's get a look at these black swans. Beautiful. Bloody beautiful. Have to get myself a houseboat one of these days. I just need some really big paddles to get it going. That was nice in there, coming out into the more open water now. I wonder if the wind's picked up and the chop or calmed down. Alright, it's picked up a bit out here. Time to get the hat on properly. Catch any? Did you catch any? No. I thought you might have caught a dolphin.
Did you know?
Yes. Alrighty. Well, that was a good little paddle. Saw some cool shit. Alright, well it's time to go. Yep, leave no trace. What a place. Yeah, so we went and found a bit of bush and had some paradise for the day. And now we'll paddle back into the wind, of course. That's the way it always goes. See you later, beach. What's that bird? A tern? Ah, yeah. Once you see its wings, look at it go. Beautiful. There it is, Trinity Bay Marina. Great day for hanging out on a yacht, eh? Here we are. Alrighty, well that was worth doing. Lovely, pleasant day.